Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi guys, let me introduce myself. My name is Ilma Indonesia. You can call me Ilma. Okay, in this video I'm going to tell you a little my experience in my circle about healing story. Stay tuned. In this assignment, I talk about characteristic number 1. Healing story are patient centers. Healing story are focused on and are about the patient, their experience, feeling, and symptoms. The reason I chose the characteristic above, number 1, is that it is hoped that through this story the reader will understand more about disease from the experience and symptoms that arise from suffer. Yeah, and are expect to be more healthy because we don't know what disease will come to us if we do not implement a healthy life. Are you understand? Okay, so here's the story. One day, exactly a few years ago, when I was teenager, I was still a baby. My neighbor, right in front of my house, husband and wife, I often see either gardening together, cleaning the house together, but one day, I began to realize it. Then as a young child just entering outdoors, I asked my mother, "Mom, what's wrong with our neighbor? It seems like I've really seen it lately." Then my mother said, "I heard she was sick and I didn't even know what was happening. What if we visit her?" I think that's good idea to fulfill my curiosity. I mean like caring between human. Then the next day, my mother and I, come to his house to visit, greeted by her husband, and yes, my mother also asked, "What's wrong, what pain, and other blah 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 blah." Then her husband also said that exposed to disease that could be said to be chronic. It was lupus. My mother is spontaneously silent, maybe surprised to be more precise. But I'm confused. As a kid who just entered junior high school, education about health is not much I know. What I know when I heard lupus is that the film was trending in 2013. Bangun lagi dong lupus. Sorry guys. Shortly thereafter, her husband went inside to call his wife, and we also talked to her while she lay in bed. So sad. She told us that until one morning she could not get up, her body ached, especially if she moved. Cannot sit, just hand aches, stiffness and weakness. Symptoms in the morning are stiff and painful joints. Noseband, severe hairless fever that doesn't go down. No more energy. Guys, can you imagine it? If it moves or is held, it's hard. It was like a big hit with a body. But when she first checks, the doctor always sentenced typhus and DB. It used to be so painful and she could think of anything. Just sleep. If you wake up like a blank mind, will be awake soon, sleep again, very tired. Must just go to the bedroom, wake up and also excruciatingly painful and painstakingly. After that, it was so tired, sleep again for hours, so for the last few days, she said. Believe me friend, there I began to understand a little how painful these people was. Respect with Oedipus. Oedipus? People with lupus. Then my mother asked about the treatment being undertaken. She told me that she was taking medication from a doctor. Then sometimes there was also a schedule for dialysis. Even more confusing, at the time said some doctors should not be exposed to sunlight. Because ultraviolet so strong, the energy will disrupt the immune system inside, giving rise to harmlessness, but on the other hand, a lupus survivors need vitamin D. The sun's rays active provitamin D in our skin to become active vitamin D. Therefore, sometimes every morning see sunbathing for a few minutes. Yeah, so it's like that, guys. Be strong and be brave. Currently, the quality of Oedipus life has greatly improved. The community is more aware, the treatment is more advanced. Staying for ourselves, to what extent we want a more meaningful life. For the Oedipus family, family support is the biggest source for Oedipus to do the right thing for themselves. So, support even if you just listen Oedipus pouring out what they feel. Fighting. Yeah, that's the healing story for me. Sorry if there is a word wrong, and sorry I'm not perfect. Bye bye, see you on my next video.